Hey, what's up guys, this is Akhilan from AkhilanTech, and guys, we will be thinking of buying a new smartphone in any budget category, but we will not able to get the perfect smartphone in that particular budget category. So watch the video till the end because I'll be sharing some of the best mobiles that you can buy in this 2020. So let's get started. So guys, as you know that all the mobile phones will be releasing once in a month or once in a year. So the best mobile will be changing from one season to the another season. So we cannot say that this particular mobile is very perfect in this budget category. Means you can find so many other mobile phones also in that particular budget category. And in some phones you will find some of the advantages, and in some phones you will find some of the disadvantages. So there is no perfect phone that you can buy. So I will be sharing some of the specifications of the mobile phones so that you can buy according to your requirements. So before going into a video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so that you will be reminded every time I post a new video in my YouTube channel. So now let's get into the topic. So the first mobile phone in the list is the Realme Narzo 10A. This is the mobile phone you can get under 10,000 rupees. In this mobile phone you can find the 6.5-inch HD Plus display, and it is powered by the powerful MediaTek Helio G70 processor, and it has around 5000 mAh battery, and it also has the fingerprint scanner support. So with all these features, this mobile you will get under 8,500 rupees. So if your budget is strictly 8,000 or 9,000, then you can choose this Realme Narzo 10A, which is a perfect budget mobile under 10,000 budget category. Okay guys, before going into another phones, I'll provide all the phones of this video in the description below. You can just click and buy from those links. And the second mobile phone in the list is the Redmi Note 9 Pro. This mobile is powered by the powerful Snapdragon 720G processor, and it has around 5020 mAh battery. So if you want to just buy a powerful mobile phone under 13,000 or around 12,000 rupees mobile phone, then you can opt for this Redmi Note 9 Pro, which is priced at 12,999 rupees. And in this mobile phone also you will get the 48 megapixel plus quad camera setup. And the next mobile phone in the list is the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. Actually, this is the most awaited phone from the Redmi in the recent times. Actually, this mobile phone was launched before the lockdown period, and it did not came to sell till now as there is lockdown in the Indian country. This mobile phone is powered by the Snapdragon 720G processor, and it has around 5020 mAh battery as it is in the Redmi Note 9 Pro. And one of the features that is not there in the Redmi Note 9 Pro and it is there in the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max is that it has the 64 megapixel camera including the quad camera setup. This Redmi Note 9 Pro Max is priced at 16,499 rupees. So if you want to just get a better camera, better processor, and even the better battery life, then you can opt for this Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. And the next mobile phone in the list is from the Samsung. It is the Samsung Galaxy M31. This mobile phone is powered by the Exynos 9611 processor, which is a very powerful processor in that budget category, and it is powered by the 6000 mAh battery. Means if you want to just get a higher battery life, then you can opt for this Samsung Galaxy M31, which is powered by the 6000 mAh battery. And I think in this budget category, only this mobile is offering the 6000 mAh battery. Other mobile phones are still at 4000 or even at 5000. And this mobile phone is also has the 64 megapixel camera, and it has the quad camera setup. So if you want to just get a higher battery life and your main aim is to use a phone for a longer time, then you can opt for this Samsung Galaxy M31, which is powered with the 6000 mAh battery. And this mobile phone is priced under 16,000 rupees. You can get around 15,999 rupees, which is almost equal to 16,000 rupees. And the next mobile phone in the list is the Poco X2. This is the most popular mobile phone right now in the smartphone market. This mobile phone is powered by the Snapdragon 730G processor, and it has the 64 megapixel, that is a quad camera setup, and it is powered by the 4500 mAh battery. And one of the main feature of this Poco X2 is that it has the 120Hz display. If you want to just know about the 60Hz and 120Hz displays, then I'll try to make a dedicated video on that, that is the screen refresh rate. So if you want to see those videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button. This mobile phone is priced at 17,500 rupees. If you want to just get a powerful smartphone under 20,000 rupees, then my recommendation is just go for this Poco X2. And the next mobile phone in the list is the Realme X2. This mobile phone is powered by the same, that is the Snapdragon 730G processor, which you can find in the Poco X2, which I've discussed in the earlier part of the video, and it has around 4000 mAh battery, and it has the 64 megapixel, that is the quad camera setup. This mobile phone is priced at the 17,999 rupees, which is 1,000 rupees more than the Poco X2 with the same specification. So in my recommendation is just go for the Poco X2 until and unless if you want to just buy a mobile phone from the Realme company, then you can opt for this Realme X2. Otherwise, just go for the Poco X2, which is 1,000 rupees less than this Realme X2, and you can save money by this Poco X2. And the next mobile phone in the list is the Black Shark 2. This is the game-centric mobile phone you can get under 25,000 rupees. This mobile phone is powered by the Snapdragon 855 processor, which is a flagship processor from the Snapdragon. And this mobile phone has the 6.39-inch display, and this mobile phone also has the 14 megapixel camera. See guys, if you want to just buy the game-centric mobile phone, then you can go for this Black Shark 2, which you can get around 24,900 rupees. And the next mobile phone in the list is the Redmi K20 Pro. This mobile phone is also a game-centric mobile phone. This mobile phone is also powered by the Snapdragon 855 processor, and it has the 14 megapixel, that is a triple camera setup, and it has around 6.39-inch display. And this mobile phone is priced at 25,999 rupees. If you want to just want the liquid cooling system, then you can go for this Redmi K20 Pro. And the next mobile phone in the list is the Realme X2 Pro. Yeah, this is the Pro version of the Realme X2. This is not the regular Realme X2. This is the Realme X2 Pro. This mobile phone is powered by the Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, which is somewhat advanced than the Snapdragon 855 regular processor. And this mobile phone has the 6.5-inch display and is powered by the 4000 mAh battery, and it also has the 64 megapixel camera support, which is a quad camera setup. This mobile phone is priced at 30,000 rupees. In this 30,000 rupees also, you can find one more mobile phone, that is the OnePlus 7. This mobile phone also comes with the Snapdragon 855 processor. If you want to just buy a mobile phone with the OnePlus UI, that is a stock Android, then you can go for the OnePlus 7, or you can just opt for the Realme X2 Pro. And the next mobile phone in the list is the iPhone SE 2020. You might be thinking why this iPhone SE 2020 came into this best mobile phone category. See guys, as you know, the iPhones are only the costly mobile phones, means you cannot find those mobile phones in the budget category or even in the mid-range category. But this is the only mobile phone that you can get in the mid-range category. See guys, most of the people don't have that much budget to buy an expensive iPhone. So if you want to just get an iPhone in the not a budget but in the mid-range category, then you can opt for this iPhone SE 2020. This mobile phone is powered by the latest Apple A13 Bionic chip. Means the gaming experience will be great. You can find the similar experience with the iPhone 11 Pro Max. But only one of the disadvantage of iPhone SE 2020 is that it has only the 4.7-inch display. Means if you are a user who wants a very compact displays, then you can choose this iPhone SE 2020. But if you are a user who wants a very large displays, then this might not be your phone. You can just go and choose the another mobile phone. This mobile phone is priced at 42,500 rupees. And the next mobile phone in the list is the latest OnePlus 8 and the OnePlus 8 Pro. I have done a virtual unboxing of this OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro. If you haven't watched that video, it will be linked in the cards and even in the description below. You can just click and watch that video. This OnePlus 8 has the 6.55-inch AMOLED screen and is powered by the latest Snapdragon 865 processor, which is an upgraded processor from the Snapdragon 855 and even the Snapdragon 855 Plus processor. And this mobile phone has the 4300 mAh battery, and it also supports the 30-watt fast charging support, that is the warp charger from the OnePlus. This OnePlus 8 is priced at 45,000. As I told you that if you don't want to buy the iPhone SE and if you just want a larger display, then you can choose this OnePlus 8. Or if you want to just want a compact display phone, then you can go for the iPhone SE 2020. And the last mobile phone in the list is the OnePlus 8 Pro. And again, this is not the regular version, this is the Pro version from the OnePlus 8. This mobile phone has the 120Hz faster screen refresh rate, and it is also powered by the Snapdragon 865 processor, and it also has the Quad HD display, that is the 2K resolution. If you want to just see guys, if you want to just get a higher display experience, then you can choose this OnePlus 8 Pro, which has the 2K resolution. So guys, these are all the mobile phones that I think are the best mobile phones. And guys, now I'm going to just categorize all these mobile phones, that is which mobile phone has the best camera, which mobile phone has the best processor and other things. So guys, the mobile phone with the best battery till now is the Samsung Galaxy M31, which is powered by the 6000 mAh battery. And the mobile phone with the best processor is the OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro, that is powered by the Snapdragon 865 processor. But if you want to just get in the mid-range category, then you can go for the Black Shark 2, which is powered by the Snapdragon 855 processor, and you can even get that mobile phone under 25,000 rupees. And the mobile phone with the best camera is the Redmi Note 9 Pro in the budget category and the OnePlus 8 Pro in the flagship category. Means I'm not comparing the iPhones with these Android mobile phones. I'm going to just talk about the Android mobile phone. I think you got a clear idea of which are the best mobile phones in this present situation in the smartphone market. And that's all from this video. If you find this video is informative, hit that like button, share it to your friends as much as possible. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment box below, because I'll definitely answer your questions. Do subscribe my channel by clicking the AkhilanTech logo and clicking subscribe button. This is Akhilan signing off. I'll catch you in my next video. Cheers.